Causes of Snoring in Dogs, by SnoringCuresForYou.com, www.snoringcuresforyou.com. It is not unusual for pet owners to let their pets sleep with them at night. In fact, 1/3 of pet owners have at some point allowed their pets to sleep on their beds. Dogs provide a companionship that can't be given by any other breed of animals. Dogs have a sleep pattern that is much like ours. Dogs also often have a complete trust in their masters, which make them a bit more relaxed during the night. This explains why most dogs fall to sleep more easily and later on enter into deep sleeps where REM sleep activities can occur. In fact, once dogs enter the stage, the owner needs to shake them heavily before they are actually roused from sleep. For sure, many of us have already witnessed a dog paddling during sleep or at times, barks with eyes closed. These dogs are said to be dreaming. Different breathing patterns can also be observed among dogs. There are breeds which deliver heavier breathing while there are those who breathe very lightly. The heavy breathers are much more prone to snoring than those who do not snore as heavily. Dogs that snore can be quite a nuisance during the night, depending on the degree and frequency of the occurrence of this phenomenon. As with humans, there are various reasons that cause dogs to snore. Most though deal with the obstruction of air passage which cause the collision together of certain parts along the throat area that in turn leads to collapse of these parts. A snoring dog must be checked for various causes to determine which treatment can be best applied. Some dogs are especially prone to a specific allergic reaction that causes the constriction in the airway. It may also be that there is some excess tissue found in this area that inhibits proper breathing. It is best if a veterinarian checks on various factors through careful evaluation of the dog's anatomical features and general symptoms. Or perhaps, your dog is overweight. As with humans, obese dogs are more likely to snore during the night. This is because they have more flesh surrounding their throats. Thus, they have excess tissues that dangle along the throat which can potentially cause the obstructions. Once this problem is corrected, the risks of developing snores will be decreased. This would not only be healthy for your dogs, you may eventually enjoy nights of quiet rest. Snoring also lies with the general face features. Dogs all seem to have pushed-in faces which narrows their air passages to certain degrees. The construction of their nasal passages also largely contribute to the difficulty of breathing. They are like humans who are forced to breathe using only 25% of their actual nostrils. Dog breeds with shorter faces need lots of effort to maximize their nostrils. It takes them more hard work to control breathing and they are more prone to snoring. Minor surgeries can bring your poor dog great relief. Be sure though that before any decision is made, you are well educated on the potential risks and consequences of surgery for dog snoring. Most are actually irreversible, so careful analysis must be rendered. It is best to follow the guidelines provided by your veterinarian. From www.snoringcuresforyou.com and www.sutherlandshirepechops.com, a mini video to examine the causes of snoring in dogs.